Let's make an easy, creamy street corn pasta salad. It has grilled fresh corn on the cob, crunchy veggies, and the most creamy and addictive cilantro lime dressing. Let's get started. Editor Lulu, just jumping in here for a second. I just wanted to assure all of you that I am indeed a human. I know there are some doubts. I have received some comments lately. So thank you for the interruption, and back to the recipe. First, I'm going to shuck my corn. I found this great method on America's Test Kitchen, and I'll link that down below. First, I'm going to cut these cobs just above where the corn kernels start, like this. Then I'll put them on a plate and microwave them for 4 minutes. Now this part is so easy, and I can't believe it worked. Use a towel because it's hot, and just give it a shake, and the cob just slides right out. No silk or anything. Nice. Next, I'll grill the corn. You can use your barbecue, your gas grill, or a grill pan on the stove like I am. Once the grill is hot, add the corn and brush all sides with oil. This is avocado oil. And then add salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to grill the corn and keep turning it so it doesn't burn. You want the kernels to be slightly charred. Like this. I'm going to set those aside to cool and get the pasta cooking. To the boiling water, I'm adding 8 ounces of shortcut pasta. This is radiatore, one of my favorites to use in a salad. While that's cooking, I'll start the cilantro lime dressing. For the dressing, I'm going to use my magic bullet, but you can use a high-speed blender or a regular blender or a food processor, whatever makes it easy for you. First, I'm going to grate in 2 cloves of garlic. Next, I'll add the juice of 1 to 2 limes. I'll start with 1 and add another later if I need it. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to chop up half of this bundle of cilantro, which is the main ingredient of the dressing. So if you don't like cilantro, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe instead you could use parsley, or perhaps rethink your priorities in life.
It tastes like soap!
I'm also going to add some fresh chives and a few leaves of basil. Now I'm going to grate in some cotija cheese. It's rich and salty, and it's just perfect for this dressing. This is about a 6 or 8 ounce block, so I think I'll grate in maybe 1/3 of it. My grocery store doesn't always have cotija cheese, so you can try feta instead. I'll use the rest of that block of cheese for the salad itself. Now I'll blend all of that together until smooth. It was looking a bit thick, so I did decide to add the juice of the other lime. Also, give your dressing a taste, and if it needs salt and pepper, add it now. In the end, you want a nice, smooth, easily pourable consistency, like this. Just gorgeous. By now, the pasta should be finished cooking, so you can drain it and run it under cold water. Now let's put this salad together. The corn cob should be cool enough to handle, so I'm going to cut the kernels off. Of course, I forgot to turn the camera on. I am not a professional. Now grab your big salad bowl. Let's start adding our ingredients, starting with the corn. No, wait, let's put the pasta in first, and then the corn, because that makes sense. Now I'm just going to get that out of the way so I can chop some veggies. I'm going to shred about 1/4 of a head of iceberg lettuce. Doesn't have to be iceberg lettuce. I just like the crunch. Use whatever lettuce you like. I'll add that to the bowl, and then I'm going to dice up 1 red bell pepper and chop up 1 avocado. Add the avocado and the pepper to the bowl. Now we're going to toss it all together. Add in all the dressing. Give it a really good stir, and then we'll grate in the rest of the cotija cheese. Toss that again, and then add the rest of the cilantro and maybe a few more basil leaves. If you want to give this street corn pasta salad a try, you can find the recipe down below in the description box. As always, I appreciate you watching this video today. Let me know in the comments if you made the salad and if you liked it. What's your favorite pasta salad? Thanks again for joining me today. We'll see you in the next video. Why not try one of these other salads?